Hello there. My name is Anna and I work as a global product manager at Agfa. Today I'm here to talk to you about how you can actually have the best image quality while reducing your dose up to 50%. Let's take a look. We all know that the healthcare system suffers from staff shortages and high turnover that many times can impact on patient satisfaction. In that context, the radiology department needs a workflow that delivers high-quality images that allow quick diagnosis even in suboptimal conditions. But what if, on the top of that, you could provide your patients with the lowest possible dose, offering an even better experience to them? Is it possible to have high image quality while operating with minimal dose? Well, I can tell you that at Agfa, this is our obsession, so I can assure you, it's not only possible, it's already happening for our customers. Musica, our image processing software, takes image quality to the next level, even with suboptimal exposures. But I know that my opinion might sound a bit biased, so I don't want you to just take my word for it. That's why we decided to conduct a study to prove it. This study was conducted in Germany, and we had 6 independent radiologists from 5 different hospitals. The goal was for them to rate the image quality of randomly selected images of Agfa's modalities taken by technicians of their sites. A total of 42 images from different body parts were evaluated. The radiologists graded the images on a scale from 0 to 5, where 5 represented the best image quality, and this was the result. On this graph, the white bars represent the average score per body part. The red box represents the interval of scores given to the images, so you can see the range of the scores given for each type of exam at a 95% confidence level. As you can see, the average grades for Musica processed images were higher than 4.5 in every type of exam. In fact, even in more challenging regions of the body, the lowest average grade result was 4.57 out of 5. If you think that these results look good, let me add another detail to it. 55% of the images graded were reported to be from patients with overweight or obesity conditions. That means Musica delivers high image quality consistently, even in diverse conditions. Pretty good, don't you think? But what about the dose? We started this conversation stating that we could reduce dose, right? So let's take a look. On the same study, we decided to collect dose information not only for the initial 42 image set, but for 200 images from the same 5 hospitals. We compared this information to the national dose reference levels required by local authorities. Let's take a look at the results. The white column represents the average dose reference levels, while the black frame represents the national references. As you can see, Musica processed images deliver a 4.6 image quality, while using in average about half of the national dose level requirements. In the case of a T-spine AP, for example, the average dose was in fact less than 1/3 of the national reference. That means state-of-the-art results for radiologists and maximum safety for patients. Well, you might be asking, how is that possible? These results are possible because Musica consists of multi-scale image processing. As you can see on this image, it's a pretty complex system that uses artificial intelligence to enhance noise suppression, offers brightness control, and reduce field glare, resulting in a superior image quality. On a very high level, what it does is to decompose the image into smaller areas. Then, Musica performs an analysis on several aspects of the image, like the gain and contrast to noise. After that, it performs adjustments on the image according to the results of the analysis. Then it will go back to decomposing the image in even smaller sections and doing this process again for several times. In the end, all the resulting images create layers for the final image, and the results will be like this. or like this. So by now you're probably more convinced about what Musica can do, or at least intrigued, right? So why don't you reach out to us and schedule a meeting or a demo with our sales team? I'm pretty sure you get as excited as I am about Musica and Agfa. Thank you for joining me on this session today.